Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram avatar on your story. It's a really quick and easy way, so let's just jump into it. Let's go to your story and let's add another story to it. Just hold on to it, click add to your story, and let's just select the picture that we want to add to our story. I'm just going to select the previous one, and when we select the tags from the top of here, and you already know that you can click on your avatar. But what if you want to change your avatar's appearance? What do you do then? Well, easy. See this little edit button? It's quite easy to miss. Just click on it and wait for it to load. And from here you can edit your avatar's appearance however you like. So just set it to whatever you want. And just click done afterwards. Click save changes. And it will be updated. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And see you next time.